Santa's so big now.
Sam!
Ala! Yan na, look!
Sam! Kuya, bilis!
Santa ate too.
Wait. Kuya! Tapos
Wait,
isa
where's mine?
mag-flash.
Is it mine?
You
See, read.
read it. Kuya! Tagal mag-toothbrush.
Si Lola.
Is it mine? Yes.
Si Lola.
Don't open yet. No.
Wait lang. Hey, Merry Christmas!
Yeah, si Lola.
Ay, Merry Christmas na.
Oh!
Look at your gift.
It's mine.
I threw mine.
Oh, Sam.
You read your messages from Santa.
Look. Samboy, look your
I don't know how to read. I don't know how to read. My plan has worked.
I'll read it for you, anak. Ace Gavin, great job on learning to read. Please read every day. I'm so proud of you. Hug Santa.
Can I open it?
Read it.
For Lance, for your beautiful drawings, for being kind and doing great in school. You're amazing.
Did you read it now?
No.
You read it.
No poo. Special delivery. For Alian, this gift is keeping you warm. Is for keeping your room tidy this year. Well done. Love from Santa.
Okay.
Oh wait, what's this? I just read it. I read it. What is it? It says space station. No, seriously, it says space station.
Tear it. Tear it. Tear it. Smash it. Smash it.
I don't hear mine. Mine's already out. Now we got a Mickey Mouse special. Yay!
Here, anak. Oh, here.
Why was this cut out? That's a little icon. I couldn't take this out. Two players? Oh, seriously? Capybara!
What?
That's great. It's my time to shine.
You like that, Kuya? Look.
Wala dyan.
Anak, wala dyan. Anak, sa taas, sa kwarto namin, anak.
That's it. I'm believing in Santa Claus for the rest of the year.
What?
I'm believing Santa Claus forever.
Just be a good boy daw. Ang sabi ni Sam?
Kaya to.
I believe in Santa Claus forever.
Look what just he.
Ganda nito. Sama nito.
Look what he just gave me.
Di ba yung matatanggal yung ulo?
Oh.
Look what he just gave me. Look what he just gave me.
Pag bumangga.
A picture, Kuya, picture.
Santa Claus the best.
Oh, yung socks. Ah! Ala!
Seriously? I've been wanting this.
Ala!
Oh, look at your socks na.
I'm never naughty.
Umiyak
I'm never naughty.
Socks.
I'm never naughty.
Tatay, sa baba. Everything in the socks are yours, Kuya.
Thank you, Santa. New socks. Yay, because all my socks are not, they're just a hair finger. Yay! look what I got. Roblox. You should have got Mr. Jackson. How about double? Bat ball. Is this yours?
No?
Bigay mo na lang.
Here, these are all mine.
Sino?